Apple cider vinegar stinks. It's nasty. But it has a lot of good benefits for your hair. And it'll rinse out, the smell will rinse out, so it's fine. You want to make sure you dilute your apple cider vinegar because, as I said before, the pH of this is about 3 and your scalp is about 5. You just want to put it on your scalp and then work it into your scalp, just making sure you can feel it too. Like when stuff is coming up, you can really feel it. I deep conditioned with the deep conditioner that I make, and it's super moisturizing. Let's look at look how clean my scalp is, and look at the shine. Oh my goodness. My curls feel really moisturized, light, fluffy. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today I am going to be showing you an apple cider vinegar rinse. I want to give you all the benefits of what apple cider vinegar does and when I use it. So if you're into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. Back to the schedule program. We're just going to get right into the video. So today we are going to be using some organic apple cider vinegar. Normally I use an apple cider vinegar rinse in between wash days. So if you are familiar with my channel, you know I do a lot of wash and goes, and normally I go about 4 or 5 days, around 4 days, and then I'll co-wash my hair. If I'm not co-washing my hair though, I will use an apple cider vinegar rinse instead. I'll go another 3 or 4 days after I do a wash and go, and then I'll wash my hair with a conditioner and follow that up with a deep conditioner. So today we're going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to use an apple cider vinegar rinse, and then I'm going to deep condition my hair. But let me give you all the benefits of apple cider vinegar. So you know, apple cider vinegar stinks. It's nasty. It stinks. It smells really bad. But it has a lot of good benefits for your hair. And it'll rinse out, the smell will rinse out, so it's fine. Let's start off by talking about the pH of your scalp. So your scalp itself has a pH of about 5. Apple cider vinegar is a little acidic. It has a pH of about 3. And normal conditioners are slightly more alkaline. So using apple cider vinegar will balance the pH of your scalp, which in turn will help close your cuticles. You'll have shinier hair, and you will be prone to less breakage because your cuticles are closed. So let's get into the overall benefits of apple cider vinegar. So 1, it helps balance the pH of your scalp. 2, it is an anti-inflammatory, therefore it helps prevent fungal and bacteria growth, therefore reducing breakage. 3, apple cider vinegar clarifies your scalp, removes product buildup, and removes dead skin, which means that your hair follicles are clean and clear and ready to thrive for you and your growth in 2020. 4, apple cider vinegar can help stimulate growth because when you're working the product onto your scalp, then you are increasing blood circulation to the scalp, therefore stimulating hair growth. So with all of these amazing benefits and the cost of this being, I think I spent $4 on this, which is expensive normally for an apple cider vinegar, but this will last a long time. You want to make sure you dilute your apple cider vinegar because, as I said before, the pH of this is about 3 and your scalp is about 5. So you want to balance it out. So you want to add some water. So I have a spray bottle here. There's about half of this with water, and I'm just going to put some apple cider vinegar. I'm not going to make it half and half. So I normally do like 1/3 apple cider vinegar to 2/3 water. You want to make sure you shake it up first of all. First, the scent. Oh, love the scent. But you want to make sure you shake it up because there's a lot of, I think it's called sediment. There's a lot of stuff at the bottom, so you just want to make sure you shake it up. And then, you know, people drink this. Let me know if you drink this because I couldn't do it. I'm just going to pour some in here. Not that much. That's enough for me. That is enough for me, okay? So I'm just going to put my little cap on top, shake this up. Jig it up, 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 jig it up. This gets super messy, so I mean, normally I would be doing this in the shower, so it's not that bad when you're in the shower, but. So my hair has a lot of product in it. I did a wash and go, and then after the wash and go, I did not want to actually do my hair. So I combed it back and put in a ponytail, and it was cute though. It was cute though. The ponytail was cute, but now my hair got a lot of product in it. A lot of product. But it is thoroughly detangled, which is great. So this will help to remove all of that product buildup, and then I can deep condition my hair because it's been a week. So I'm just gonna start on the back here. I'm just going to take this mixture of water and apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to put it right on my scalp, and then I'm just gonna work it in to my scalp. So you just want to put it on your scalp and then work it into your scalp, just making sure your scalp is completely drenched with this. Ooh, you can feel it too, like when stuff is coming up, you can really feel it. And then I'm gonna work it onto my actual strands as well. So I'm just gonna spray it on here and then just work it in. Ooh, it's crazy how you can feel it. Again, just making sure you get your scalp really well. And again, the scent is not the best, but look at the shine already, like, ooh, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist this out of the way because my hair is completely wet, and you can see how the product is like on top now. So when we rinse it out, all of that's gonna come out, which is great. And then, so you don't want to let this sit on too long. I don't ever let it sit more than like 20 minutes. I'm gonna do this throughout the rest of my hair. I'm going to take a shower cap and I'm going to, or a processing cap, and I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out. So when I rinse it out, I'm just gonna use some warm water to rinse it out. And then I'm going to follow that up with a deep conditioner. I will sit under the dryer for like, probably like 10-15 minutes. And then I will be back to show you what these revitalized curls look like. So I'm gonna put on some music, vibe out, and I will be right back. So I know I said I was gonna come back after I was done, but already look at how shiny my hair is. Like, that's crazy. So as you can see, there's product that's come to the surface, and I'm gonna go rinse it all out. I'm gonna take this with me just so I can make sure I really get my scalp, put on a deep conditioner, sit under the dryer, and then I'm gonna come back after I sit with the deep conditioner and rinse that out, and I will show you what the final results look like before there's any product in it. And you gonna want to see this. You gonna want to see this, and you gonna want to try this apple cider vinegar. I will be right back. I'm back. I deep conditioned with the deep conditioner that I make, and it's super moisturizing. And let's look at the result. Let's look at the results. Ooh. Look how clean my scalp is, and look at the shine. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Look how clean my scalp is. My curls feel really moisturized, light. Look how shiny the hair is too. Like, that is what the apple cider vinegar rinse does. I'll open this side over here too, and then I'm gonna style my hair. Let's take a look here. Look how clean my scalp is. Look how clean my scalp is. And then look at the shine and curls right here. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So essentially, the apple cider vinegar detoxes your hair. It gets all of that gunk out of there, all the product that I had used. This is with no product at all, so I have nothing on my hair. I literally just rinsed my hair out. I literally rinsed the deep conditioner out after I rinsed out the apple cider vinegar, and these are the results. So I am so happy about this, and yeah, my hair looks good. It feels good. It feels light. You know if your hair is weighed down. This definitely helps to stop your hair from being weighed down, and the fact that it detoxes, and while your hair is detoxed and in that cleansed state, if you put on a good moisturizing deep conditioner, ooh, yes. Now the smell is a little, it's a little potent. It's a little strong. It's a little nasty, but I can deal with it because you can rinse it out. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. But these are some great results, and I hope I was able to educate you on what apple cider vinegar rinses can do for your hair. For your hair. I'm trying to make sure my hair is very healthy. All of 2020. 2020 is getting hair life together. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.